Hello everyone, my name is Gwen. How are you doing? I'm a student of the Forex Trader for Beginning Academy. I've been part of the academy for about a month now. Back in 2017, I was introduced to trading. Had never heard of it. Didn't even know. It was like looking at Chinese. I had no idea what it was. So I joined a group to try to learn. Well, I didn't really get to learn anything. Did a lot of traveling, a lot of listening to people saying, how they accomplished everything, and a lot of rags to riches stories, which is fine. And I'm happy for those people. However, when I went into it, I went into it with the mindset that I want to be like them, and I want to be able to quit my job, and I want to be able to trade for a living. But that's unrealistic for someone who's never even heard of trading. So I went into the mindset that way. And so that was my first mistake. And spent a lot of money on auto traders and try to have people do it for me and try to make money as I learned, but that didn't work either. So a lot of money later, and 3 years later, I came across, when Bitcoin blew up, I thought, you know what, let me get back in this. Let me see what's going on with this. So I had a little bit of cryptocurrency like in Coinbase. So I said, it's just sitting there. Let me see what I can do with it. But I need to learn how, to trade it. So I was looking for a trading group, and I came across the academy with Saad Ali, and went through the introduction of it, got accepted. Did all the videos. He has modules, and each module has a different, maybe like 8 videos and lessons, and you learn a lot from those lessons. You learn about support and resistance, the Fibonacci retracement. You learn about moving averages, trend lines, mindset, which is huge, risk management. You learn about candlestick analysis, and you learn confidence, really, because once you learn this, no one can take it away from you. As long as you practice it and keep polishing it up, and just stay humble, you will do very good. I'm so grateful for the academy and Saad Ali, because he's just so generous with his information. He doesn't have to be, and he just wants the best for the world, basically. I was telling someone, I said, this young man has all this information. He knows all this knowledge about trading, and he wants to share it with people, and it's free. It's 100% free. It's not a gimmick. He doesn't say that it's free to try to bring you in and then say, oh yeah, by the way, it's however much money. No, he's very honest, 100% free. That's it. He doesn't ask you for he doesn't ask you for anything. All he asks you to do is study, do your lessons, practice, post charts into our student group. That's one of the things that we do, which is really nice, because each lesson, whatever we learn, we put it into practice. So if he wants us to learn, if he wants us to practice like support and resistance, we will mark up our charts, submit it to our student group so other students can see our work. He can see our work. And so we get feedback from him, and we get feedback from the other students, which is really good, because in this, it's so detailed. Like, you really want to know that you're doing it right. And you really want to know that you're on the right page, because it's a lot to learn. So, and it's not easy. If someone says it is, bravo for them. Maybe it is easy for them, but it's not for me. I do have to study every day. I have to, go over things, review. I may have to watch a video 4 times just to really understand it, and which is fine. So, but yeah, the academy has really, really, really done good for me. I couldn't believe I stumbled across it. Like I said, I've been in another group years ago, but it was basically, talking about, you can live in a mansion, you can drive this car, you can, go on this vacation. Just a lot of like dream selling. And that's okay, but that's not a reality, and Saad Ali does not sell you a dream. He's very realistic. We keep our lot sizes small. He doesn't have you thinking that you could just jump in and make thousands and thousands of dollars right away. It's not like that. We baby step it. He baby steps us with everything. So it's amazing. I'm glad I stumbled across it. I'm thankful. Thank you, Saad Ali, and your family. I appreciate you so much. I really, really do. But yeah, that's it. If you come aboard, you won't be disappointed. You'll learn a lot. This is for beginners, people who've never even tried to trade before. That was me. I was familiar, but I didn't know how. And then this is also for people who maybe need to review, polish up again. Maybe, someone's losing trades a lot. They need to go back and say, okay, what am I doing wrong? Who knows? But it fits for everyone. But when you join the academy, you won't be disappointed at all. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the student group. So with that, I say have a good day. Bye-bye.